We built this studio for our business with my friend. In this video, I will tell you how much it cost. I'll show you how to make it step by step. Write me in the comments if your business needs this studio or not. And don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the wall where we want to create our decoration. It's a bit complicated here to build a studio. First of all, we bought this panel and it costs $13 each one. Stay with us now to see how many panels we put on the wall and how much this panel will cost. This is my friend, Mr. Amanj, helping us to build our studio today. As we said, the price of this panel is $13. Now we have 2 installed. The silicone needs to be high quality to be able to hold this panel to the wall. We also bought 2 silicones for $5 each and $10 for silicones. This studio has already installed lighting systems, such as lights and projectors. Our next step is to buy a large table for our studio. The weather is rainy with hail. In some places, we need to split the panel so that we can use as few panels as possible.
전 말하면 이거 도세요. 어깨 밀어야 돼. 그냥 서야 돼. 아래로.
Now, we leave it alone, and here we attach the sticks to the decor to dry. After one day, now, our decor is dry, and we are removing the trees. We bought this large table, 320 centimeters length and 150 centimeters width. It came to us disassembled because the size is so large. It doesn't fit everywhere. We bought this table cheap since it was second-hand. We paid $100 for it. Then we add it to the panels and other things to see how much it cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To make our table very strong, we need to attach it with several screws. Now that we have finished to attaching the table, it turns out to be very beautiful, thank God. My friend cleans the table of heat and dust to make it look beautiful. We bought these 2 stockings for $15. We're building this studio for our business. We are a dealer of diecast cars and control cars. We have built this studio only for video and photography. Our studio is almost finished, and we need to buy a beautiful painting for our studio. We chose the Porsche because it is a very beautiful and special car for most people. It cost only $16 and was custom made. Thank God, our studio is finished. And now, let me tell you the cost. The panels cost $13 each. We used 9 panels. It means 4 9 panels, $117. Then, we bought 2 silicones for $10. We also bought this big table for $100. The 2 leathers cost $15. The painting is $16. That means the cost of this studio is $258. Yes, my friend, $258 for all the parts. Share this video to those who need a studio for their business. Like this video, and tell us what you think about our studio in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.